Alright, so I haven't touched this one yet, except taking the ashtray off. So, I don't know. See how they come to life. Back to life. Okay, I won't bore you with that. We'll bring it back in a minute. Alright, so I scrubbed the whole thing. Let's see how this shines up in you, if you will. They're kind of just a first run over it. Much better. Much better. Probably give a little more attention to it. I went over it with the Scotch-Brite, a little more cleaner, and dried it up. I think they'll work just fine. Alright, here's kind of a before and after of the front door cards. And Miss E-Man Deluxe likes the finishing touches, so we're going to show her before and after. So this is the passenger side, and there's the driver's side.
Whoa!
It's got to get stretched, but that's the color.
That's so cool. Wow, what a difference.
Alright, I'll keep scrubbing. Okay, so we are many days later from when I cleaned these up. And nice warm day today. It's probably about 80, gotta be 80 degrees, 85. And I'm gonna try to stretch these out. They're not stretching much, so I'm probably gonna go at them with the heat gun a little bit, because put you down. Yeah, so just sitting here kind of evaluating it. The red is stretching better, but the white, because it's a lighter color, I guess, it's just not stretching that great. It needs to stretch a good amount in all directions. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and start clipping some of these sides. Get a start here. Something to have help me hold on to it. Okay. This is just a matter of stretching it a little bit and going round and around and just keep stretching it. And I think what I'm going to do is, once I'm happy with that, I'll start laying on the glue and lay it upside down and put like a bag of sand on top of it so that the glue sets and it's stretching it at the same time. So I'm pretty much ready to start gluing it. This is just the first one. It's kind of learning as I'm going, and it seems to be working. I don't have that hot California sun or the Florida sun, but it's helping. So I've got it nice and stretched out. I feel like I'm just gonna pull it back halfway, lay some glue in there, do one half at a time. All right, they are all back on. A little warped here and there. I tried to straighten them out way back when I started this project, but yeah, it's good enough for this runner. And there's the driver's side. This pouch was in actually really good shape still, so just a little tear there, but it's hard to keep up on these flowers here in this vase. Can't put water in there. All right, with that, this kind of ends this short little video for you. You'll see these door panels more when we're driving around and on the road. So with that, I'm pretty happy with that. They look cool. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep plugging away here.